I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to fuel up a car in Australia. First, locate your car's fuel type, usually found inside the fuel flap or on the dashboard. Drive up to an available pump, making sure your fuel cap is on the correct side for easy access. Before doing anything else, switch off your engine completely and engage the parking brake. This is a crucial safety step before you begin fueling. Now, open your car's fuel flap and twist off the cap, placing it somewhere safe. Look for the correct nozzle. It will be clearly labeled with the fuel type, like unleaded 91 or diesel. Pick up the right nozzle and insert it firmly into your car's fuel tank opening. Once it's securely in place, squeeze the trigger to start the flow of fuel. You'll hear the fuel going into your tank. The pump is designed to stop automatically when your tank is full, indicated by a distinct click from the nozzle. Once it clicks, release the trigger and carefully remove the nozzle from your tank. Hang the nozzle back on the pump. Don't forget to screw your fuel cap back on tightly and close the fuel flap securely. Now, you're ready to go inside and pay for your fuel. When you enter the shop, tell the cashier your pump number so they can process your payment. You can usually pay with cash or card. While you're there, consider asking about any loyalty programs. Many service stations offer points or discounts for regular customers, which can save you money over time. Also, for some fantastic deals on other great products, make sure to check out the description below this video. It's always worth a look for extra savings and useful items.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.